Hey guys, this is just a quick intro to the next step in the Art Trip Research Project. Um, so last week you guys each watched a video made by the Art Assignment website on a location assigned to you. It was randomly assigned. I just did this like random number generator and assigned them, but it seemed like there were some really cool connections. Like some of you guys had been to these places or were planning to go to these places or grandma's from this place, that kind of thing, which was pretty cool to see those coincidences come up. But anyway, so hopefully that gave you a good introduction to your location. And this week, I want you to spend some time researching the arts institutions in those cities, or some of them are states. But a number of them were mentioned in the video, so you could start by researching some of those places. But I have a video posted below that just is like a brief demonstration of how to do this. So if you're not sure where to get started, please watch that video and we'll just give you a sense of kind of the type of research I'm talking about. I'm not talking like fancy websites. I'm talking like start with Google, put in what are the institutions, what are the art museums, the art galleries, things like that, and just really start clicking and navigating those websites and getting to know what's there, and then taking note of what piques your interest. So maybe keep things open in separate tabs so you can go and revisit them. And then you'll see below some questions that I'm asking and information that I'm asking you to give in your discussion post. So make sure you include an image that's representative of your institution. Maybe it's just of the outside, or maybe it's of an exhibition that you thought was cool. The name of the institution, a link to their website, and then go through and answer some of those questions. And then after that, I'd like for you to list and link 3 more sites that you thought were interesting or worth seeing that you would put on your list for those of us who haven't been there yet, at least virtually. Okay, that's all I'm going to say about that. Sorry for the low image quality of this video. It is after 10 p.m. and it's dark in my house, and so it's kind of grainy, but it is what it is. All right, looking forward to seeing what you guys find in your research. Good night, y'all.